Hey guys, welcome back. It's day 10 of my 30-day vlog challenge. Today I'm going to share 3 interesting YouTube channels to watch for if you're planning to build a following in YouTube. So number 1, Salma Jafri. What a phenomenal channel it is. I've learned a lot from Salma Jafri's videos. The basic stuffs, right from setting up your channel appropriately and how to brand it, and the video which I loved and which helped me a lot is how to script your YouTube video. So very few people speak about scripting, and that method which she shared is really good. I will mention the link of the channel below, you can check it. And she's also hosting a 7 days YouTube challenge which you can use it. And apart from that, she has an exclusive Facebook group for YouTubers. You can go and check it and you can learn a lot together with fellow new YouTubers. And number 2, Think Media, another fantastic channel. I have learned a lot from same channel. His channel particularly, I learned a lot about technical stuffs, gadgets required for YouTube and strategies and affiliate for YouTubers. All these things I learned, and content quality is really good. You can check the channel. And apart from that, I am super excited to grab the book YouTube Secrets from Think Media. But the thing is, yesterday I went to a bookstore, couldn't get it. I want a physical copy here in India. I don't know whether it's available in store or not, so I have to go for a Kindle version. Kindly let me know, guys, any of your favorite books too. So then the third and the next interesting YouTube channel is from Roberto Blake, a guy I've been following him for a very long time. The content is a gem. He works and he gives solid piece of content. If you are looking to build something, if you are looking to build a creative career in design or YouTube or in affiliate marketing, definitely you should check his channel. He's really motivating. The content is really encouraging and motivating. And don't forget to follow him in LinkedIn. He is posting videos every day and the content is really cool. So follow Roberto Blake also. Want to make something like cool vlog, then don't forget to check Sunny Lenarduzzi, and her channel is also very interesting. And another interesting book I want to show. The book is Vlog Like a Boss. Check this out. Very interesting book, and let's all learn together. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.